I think I'm done. Don't think I'm going to get it any cleaner. So it's time to reinstall all of that back in there. And all done. So that's one more thing ticked off the list. What's next? Get into the glove box. And god damn it, I still need to put the door card on the passenger. I've got to do a little bit of a rusty repair behind the door though before I do it. That's why I've been putting it off, but got to do that. It looks disgusting. Alright, thanks for watching another video, guys. Catch you next time.